ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to be the first to welcome you to the island of St. Martin, where the local time is approximately 2:28 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft, and be careful when opening the overhead compartments. You are now free to use all of your mobile phones and small lightweight devices in the transmit mode. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and sincerely this entire Chicago O'Hare-based flight crew, it truly has been our pleasure having you on board this morning, and we look forward to welcoming you again on a future United flight. Thank you and have a wonderful time here in St. Martin or wherever your onward journey may take you.